This Taiwanese rice is part of dim sum. It is made of sticky rice mixed with meat, mushrooms, shrimp, and infused with rich flavors of sauces and spices. We use a steam basket to cook it. Traditionally, this dish is prepared in small portions wrapped in lotus leaves. I propose you to do it as a complete meal for 4 people. Here are the ingredients. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. The day before, wash 400 grams of sticky rice 3 times. Let it soak overnight. Also soak 5 shiitake mushrooms. The next day, drain the sticky rice. Put a wet cloth in a bamboo basket or in a classic steamer. Put in the drained rice. Cover it. Steam over high heat for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, soak 20 grams of small dried shrimp in water. Cut 2 Chinese sausages in small cubes. Two slices of pork belly into chunks. Squeeze the shiitake mushrooms to remove the water. Cut them into slices. The rice has cooked for 15 minutes. Turn off the heat and remove it from the pot. Continue to prepare the ingredients. Mince 50 grams of shallots. Cut 10 grams of cilantro in 2 sections. Drain the small shrimp. Now prepare the sauce. For that, put in a bowl half teaspoon of ground pepper, 2 teaspoons of 5 spice powder, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix. Add the 30 centiliters of water. Mix. All the ingredients are ready. We can start cooking. Grind the Chinese sausages in a pan over low heat for 5 minutes. As soon as the oil appears, regularly stir. Remove them. Leave the oil in the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Fry the shallots for 5 minutes on low heat. When they start to golden, regularly stir. Turn off the heat and remove them, still leaving the oil in the pan. Reheat the pan over medium heat and put the pork belly. Add half teaspoon of salt. Stir from time to time for 5 minutes. Add the shrimp. Stir from time to time for 2 minutes. Add the mushrooms. Stir from time to time for 3 minutes. add the sausages, the fried shallots, the sauce. Stir and let simmer with a lid over low heat for 15 minutes. Stir from time to time. After 15 minutes, remove the lid. Leave 2 more minutes to reduce the sauce. Cut the fire. Put the sticky rice with the preparation. Mix. Fragment the blocks. The rice will absorb all the sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix. Then put the preparation back into the steamer basket. Cover it and put the lid on. Steam for 15 minutes. The Taiwanese sticky rice is ready. The texture of the rice is perfect. The grains are soft. They remain whole. Each bite releases a lot of flavors. Sprinkle with cilantro. Bon appétit! Bon appétit!
Bon appétit.
Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.